Well, in the Math and Physical Sciences division, we have chemistry and computer science and environmental science, geology, math, and engineering. Well, in math and physical sciences, we explore the wonders of the natural world. Students will gain hands-on, authentic science exposure, whether that be in chemistry or in physics or in geology. And every year, students with STEM degrees are the most employed with the highest average starting salary. And so it provides meaningful work for students. You get to go out and problem solve what matters and help make a difference in the world. Our most popular degree paths would be engineering and computer science. Jobs in these fields are of high pay and high demand. Our programs easily transfer to UNR. And additionally, we do see a high enrollment in our supporting science classes, such as chemistry, because those also prepare the students to be successful in their downstream programs. I think TMCC is unique because we offer small classes with exceptionally qualified instructors. Our instructors in science in my area teach both the lecture and the lab. So we don't have TAs running the lab, so our instructors will get to know you. And teaching is truly at the heart of what they do. And so I think that's what makes TMCC unique for a learning experience. I think that we not only prepare students to do the work and understand the work through our curriculum and our content, but we prepare them to be successful in the work that they do. We foster interaction, student to student and student to teacher interaction. We foster communication and problem-solving skills, and try to keep our students engaged as much as possible so that they are well-rounded when they go into the workforce. We have a wonderful array of classes for non-science majors. So we have, for example, Environmental Science 100. So this explores the foundational relationship between humans and the environment, discusses many of the current environmental and climate issues that our students are going to face. It's a great introduction to the science class that is for students with no science background. Another great class would be Astronomy 100. It does have a prerequisite of Math 120, but it's another great general education class designed for students with no science background and 4 labs to give them a real science exposure. For those that are undecided, I would say pick your downstream program of what you're most interested in, and then look at your course sequence and try to pick some classes that give you a nice breadth so that you can use that as a way to keep exploring and keep learning. We have a couple great things going on. One, we have a very informal group called the Math League. And this group meets once a week and introduces students to interesting topics that they'll find outside the math standard curriculum, such as the origins of E and Fibonacci numbers and the golden ratio and why we see rainbows the way that we see rainbows. Additionally, TMCC has the STEM Society, which is a student club, and this is a great club for students, and it shares information about undergraduate research opportunities, internships, and other science career exposure. And you can even like them now on Facebook under TMCC STEM Society to find out what they're doing and find more information about the sciences. One fun fact is I actually started as the math tutoring coordinator here many years ago, and then taught and now dean, and student learning is still at the heart of why I'm here. Another fun fact is I would rather throw a frisbee than a ball. As a prospective student, I think another great place that makes TMCC unique, especially for those pursuing math and science, is our Tutoring and Learning Center. The center is designed to support students holistically through their learning experience. We have high qualified tutors that really try to make a difference with students in an effective way with one-on-one tutoring and small group tutoring. And not all colleges have that as a free resource for students. So when you come, I will encourage you to take advantage of this valuable resource.